Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the NedFoss Heron Damascus pocket knife. As soon as you unbox this knife, you realize that this is a beautiful pocket knife. Right out of the box, you get the cloth, some paperwork, and the genuine leather sheath. My first impression when I opened this knife was, oh wow, this is gorgeous. The looks, the quality, how it felt in my hand, winner. I think anyone would be proud to own this knife. I consider this a small EDC knife that also looks great. Notice the wood handle and the overall attention to detail. This is the kind of knife that when you take it out to perform some kind of detail and your friend sees it, they're going to say, let me see that knife. The flipper is smooth as butter and has a ball bearing system. The blade is Damascus steel and it's 2.8 inches long. Check out that blade, it looks awesome. The overall length of this knife is 6.5 inches. Not only is it a knife, but I kind of consider it a piece of art. I know what you're thinking. It's getting close to Christmas and this would make an awesome gift. Well, you are correct. The knife has your standard liner lock, which keeps it safe and keeps the blade from closing on you accidentally. Simply push the liner lock aside and you can open and close the knife blade. Right here, just some more close-ups of this knife. I just love looking at it. By the way, they say the wood is ebony wood. And the weight of this knife is 4.3 ounces. And of course, a convenient pocket clip. Here's a close-up of the leather sheath. I really like the sheath. You can just see the quality and workmanship. And it looks cool. And they also designed the sheath to where you can wear it horizontally or vertically on your belt. Here's a quick shot of me modeling the leather sheath on my belt. I really like this NedFoss Heron Damascus pocket knife. I think you will too. So if you're looking at it, I hope you found my video helpful.